Amazon brand, Solimo Extra-Dry Skin Lotion with vitamins B5 and E, 16 FLOs. About this item. 1 16 fluid ounce pump bottle of body lotion to help soothe and protect extra dry skin. Non-greasy, paraben-free formula with vitamins B5 and E. Please subscribe, like, share, comment this video. Not tested on animals. Made in the USA with U.S. and foreign components. Satisfaction guarantee. We're proud of our products. If you aren't satisfied, we'll refund you for any reason within a year of purchase. 1-877-485-0385. An Amazon brand. Amazon sales link, https://amazon/3pwzx5z. Or below, updated Amazon sales link. Product description. Solimo Extra-Dry Skin Lotion with vitamins B5 and E is a creamy non-greasy moisturizing body lotion that helps soothe and protect normal to very dry skin types. Ingredients: water, mineral oil, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, sorbitol, caprylic, capric, triglyceride, emulsifying wax, NF, stearic acid, dimethicone, cetyryl alcohol, lecithin, carbomer, sodium hydroxide, cetearyl 20, sodium citrate, BHG, retinyl, palmitatem, sodium pyruvate, chlorphenesin, benzyl alcohol, fragrance, citric acid, panthenol, tocopheryl acetate, titanium dioxide.